everybody. So what we have here are microgreens. We're going to cut them up and eat them like a salad, or we might stir fry them. Just a quick look at a situation we have here. We have the bottom container with no holes that holds the water, and then here you can see the roots. And we just put a little bit of water in the bottom, and suck up the water, and stay healthy. Have a nice look in there. You can see these were originally peas, speckled peas. And we have a very simple process of cutting them. It's called a machete knife, which is very sharp. Don't rub your finger against it. It's for cutting microgreens. So the technique basically is like giving a big haircut. You're gonna grab it, have a lock of hairs, cut the plant, and you just slide across. And don't pull, because you don't want these things that are in coconut plier. The plier is pretty clean, but it's still a medium for growing. Oops. Too much. These you could either eat fresh, or you could stir fry them up with a little olive oil and garlic. I prefer to eat them fresh, because when you stir fry them, they really turn into almost nothing. They taste like peas. And one of the more exciting things about these is after we're done, we put a little bit of water on the bottom, and we'll put them out for a second cook. Sweet peas, they taste good. Taste like peas. The pea greens are already basically clean. They just came straight out of the seed, and then they grew into these marvelous plants here. But why not rinse them a little bit, just in case? Get out the dust, any contaminants. Always nice to eat clean food. Honestly, I've already washed them once, so this is just for show. After we wash them, shake out a little bit of extra water, we throw it in a salad spinner to dry them up. Ooh. Spin it, spin it, spin it. All the water out. Water in one of the plants. And now these peas are ready to store in the refrigerator for a week or so. Fresh greens.
Hey folks, so we're going to be making a stir fry, and this is what we're going to be putting in our stir fry. Hey, so we're going to be using some broccoli. Great in essential nutrients. Garden peas, freshly harvested. Fantastic pea microgreens, also freshly harvested. Some ginger. And we've got this beautiful king oyster mushroom, tofu, this delicious stir fry soyaki sauce. Right now I'm just going to be chopping up the tofu. I've thinly sliced them, and now I'm going to just go in and give it another little chop. Okay, the wok is nice and hot, ready to go. I'm going to throw in some red dry chili. Let it sizzle a bit. already starting to smell so good. The broccoli. Hi.
Oh, hi, we got some chard,
Look at this.
oh boy, some dirty carrots, and a knife for cutting things.
Carrots from the garden.
They're little,
How
tiny, and dirty.
exciting.
And they're way too rooty.
Okay, back to the tofu. You don't want to overstir and break them, and so just kind of mix them around once or twice. Turn up the heat. Let them do their thing. In the meanwhile, I'm going to be chopping up the king oyster. It's hearty, and so it needs some extra time to cook, which is why it's going to go in immediately. And you just want to take all of your chops and put them in the wok. Okay, next I'm going to be chopping some fresh ginger. And then I throw it into the wok.
Go!
Okay, so now we're gonna add some flavor. This is the soyaki teriyaki stir fry sauce.
Broccoli.
So we just basically cut them into little tiny pieces, and that will absorb the flavor so much better in the stir fry. And then I'm just gonna take this whole bunch and add that to our wok. This is going to be a healthy and delicious.
Here we have chopped chard.
Going in.
Lots of vitamins and minerals, fresh. Leafy greens. And
the
the stems taste excellent, actually. They're crunchy, they're good. Some people don't like them, but we like them.
We like them very much. So, folks, this is the time, if you take a look at the wok, when everything else has gone in, going are going to be your pea greens, because they cook super fast. I'm going to just dunk all this in. Time? I think I just got too excited. Wow, it's a jungle! You're about to see his real transformation from fresh to stir fry.